कल रात हम यहाँ पे ना 3 बजे लेक लुई इन में आए थे और यहाँ का कमरा उतना अच्छा नहीं लगा. We didn't really like the place. Facilities are really dated. All in all, like for the price, it's good. But we're gonna go to. We're checking into Fairmont now for the next day. So I'll give you a room tour. I didn't really wanted to give a room tour for this place.
क्या नाम है इसका? लगान्स.
No, I'm asking like if there's access from the hotel to the lake.
Oh, there's doors out there.
Okay, perfect.
Oh,
Thank you.
sure.
Yeah,
Yep.
first time.
Hey, Mr.
Thank you.
Singh, have
Thank
a
you.
good visit.
Thank you. A lot of my friends have actually worked here. So it's an amazing property. It's very iconic.
You're good to go. All right.
Perfect.
Can we help you with luggage today?
No, I'm good. Thank you. Fairmont, all the Fairmonts have this royal, royal vibe. That's the view. You can see the full mountain. There's a small river stream going from here. Not a small, it's a pretty huge river. And then we got 2 queen-size beds, a small TV. We also got this washroom. There's a spa and everything here. This is actually really nice. They have the coffee machine. Sorry, it's a really messy room. We just came here, so it's a nice coffee machine that pops out. I really like that they have like wine glasses. They have some teacups, ice bucket, which is pretty standard right now, but like this is the only thing is that we brought our own wine and there's some butter. I don't know why they put butter here. ये अपना सामान पड़ा हुआ है यहाँ पे, washroom की बाट लगी हुई है. But this is how it is. Soon we are headed to Lake Louise. यहाँ पे we recently found out that the drones are not allowed in this area. I was about to take off and the guy just warned me like, hey man, it's not allowed. So I confirmed with the hotel staff. So basically what happens is if you are caught flying a drone in this area, you're gonna get $3,200 fine and they will take your drone as well at the same time. So honestly not worth it. देखो एक आदमी बहुत तैयार होकर निकल रहा है और एक आदमी की हालत देखो, ऐसे ही आया था ऐसे ही जा रहा है भाई. So it's raining right now, but like the view of the mountain and the lake is insanity, man. I wish it was sunny. Fairmont Chateau Lake. So we have to go to that chai wala because Hitesh, one of my buddy Hitesh, recommended that it's getting sunny. Wanna go this side? So we'll basically hike this whole place, this whole lake. Actually, you can ask the hotel to give you a chata. हाँ जा लेके दौड़ जा. मैं को लेके आऊँ. मैं को नहीं चाहिए. जन्नत के नज़ारे हैं, जन्नत के नज़ारे. I think हम कहीं मर तो नहीं गए, शायद मर के जन्नत में गए. रास्ते में हम वो रात में मर चुके हैं जो रास्ते में. So just enjoy the view and then once we go back we're gonna eat at the Fairmont and we're gonna have some tea at the tea shop. So, spot where everybody takes pictures. It's nice. Fairmont on that side and the mountains on this side. Took our pictures and now we're taking their picture. And imagine if this guy shows up on the trail. Scary looking guy. It looks cute but can kill you in one snap. Oh, this guy looks dangerous. So basically they try to avoid you, but they won't be shy to kill you, you know. They won't be like, hey, okay, साथ में नाश्ता करते हैं भाई लोगों. ऐसा नहीं होगा, लेकिन oh, people are boating here, eh? Nice. See some people boating here in the lake. Oh man, I don't think pictures do justice to, I mean, pictures do make it look amazing, but coming here is a whole lot better. So all I can say is the whole journey has been amazing. There were some rough patches because honestly we didn't really plan this trip. Like, it's just one thing led to another, and I would recommend you to stay in the Fairmont because it's so close to the Lake Louise. You save on parking. Like, you can just park at the hotel. The hotel does charge you $30 for a parking one night, and then you can get some deals on hotel like booking.com or something, because usually this room can range up to like $300 to like $600 per night. All in all, I'm paying like $430 for the room plus $30 for parking, so almost like $460 all in. But it's worth it because, you know, it's Fairmont at the end of the day. You know, you get the Fairmont experience. ऐसे हमारे गांव में होते हैं. मेरे गांव में ना लोग, एक्चुअली मैं आपको एक ट्रिक दिखाता हूँ. ऐसे हम लोग ना, जब हम लोग फुटबॉल खेलते हैं ना, गांव में फुटबॉल खेलते हैं, ये लोग, मुझे ट्रिक दिखाता हूँ कैसे हम लोग पानी पीते हैं. This is, I know this water is 100% clean because you can drink it.
Shit.
If you can chill out here. So the plan for today is we're gonna walk this trail, go back, maybe go around, come back, go to the hotel, eat, go to Jasper, Icefield Parkway. सबसे ज़्यादा केला क्या होगा कि आइसफील्ड पार्क में अगर हमें वहाँ पे ड्रोन उड़ाने नहीं मिला, then it'll be a bad day. Then it won't be,
Bad day तो नहीं होगा.
bad day नहीं होगा, but it won't be like as great.
Allowed है, but I think it's a good experience. We can go there and find out. थोड़े से ओले गिर रहे, बिकॉज हम लोग बर्फ वाले पहाड़ों के बहुत पास हैं. I'm looking forward to eating at the Fairmont. I'll give you a full review of the food at Fairmont. So the tea house is another 3.5 kilometers. So we have to still make 3.6 kilometers. So basically 1 घंटा तो जाने वाला है यहाँ पे. Okay, and now it's inclined. और यहाँ से you can see the whole. That's where we walked from. Originally we walked from there. ये
देख रहे हो भाई लोगों?
ये मिट्टी है.
Okay. We were right there and now we are here. And now we have to go 3.5 kilometers more and then वहाँ पे चाय पियेंगे, उसके बाद वापस.
था डॉगी। सो यहाँ से 1.6 किलोमीटर्स बचा हुआ है। मेरी तो पाँव हो चुकी है अभी, मतलब थक गया मैं। 5 किलोमीटर चल चुके हैं हम लोग, बट पीपल आर सेइंग द व्यू इज़ अमेजिंग, इट्स गोना बी वेल वर्थ इट, सो लेट्स कीप पुशिंग। बिल्कुल यार, मेरा गांव बिल्कुल ऐसी है, बिल्कुल मुंशारी, एग्जैक्टली सेम थिंग, प्रॉब्ली ऑन अ वे more altitude, but this at the same time is high towards the pole. So basically we're walking on, all of these are glaciers, like one by one we're walking on glaciers. नहीं, मैंने पूछ रहा तीसरा वही 1 किलोमीटर था, तो 1 किलोमीटर ही होगा। आजा आजा, रास्ता बना हुआ है देख, you see the pathway, you just follow it। फिर आजा, मैं आता हूँ, मैं बताऊँ तो रास्ता, आजा, ये ना रास्ता, ये सामने रोड।
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Horse trail, play. Fuck, where's that fucking tea shop? ना, हम लोग ना बहुत देर से गलत रास्ते पे जा रहे थे।
बहुत देर से नहीं, 5 मिनट से।
मतलब detour there था। So now these guys showed us
बट आज बारिश हो रही खतरनाक, मतलब तेज तो नहीं हो रही, आ रही जा रही है, बट दिस इज वर्थ इट, है ना।
अब लग रहा है लेकिन रास्ते में बिल्कुल मौत हो गई।
मौत तो हो ही गई थी यार, कितने वी क्रॉस्ड आई थिंक 6 ग्लेशियर्स। लुक एट द व्यू।
पंचाचूली लग रहा है, पंचाचूली के अंदर आ गए हमने।
सही में लोग रहते हैं शायद, मेरे ख्याल से यहाँ पे।
यहाँ पे टिबेटन फ्लैग भी लगे हैं।
टिबेटन है वो
यहाँ पे ना, आई जस्ट स्पोक टू द ओनर, तो यहाँ पे क्या है कि यहाँ पे यू कैन गेट अ सेट मेन्यू अपस्टेयर्स।
सेट मेन्यू क्या होता है?
उसमें देयर बी आई डोंट नो समथिंग। आ जा, तो दिस इज द टी शॉप। तो ये हमारा घर है ना उत्तराखंड में, ऐसे ही होता है।
दिस इज सो अमेजिंग, मज़ा आ गया, घर की याद आ गई बिल्कुल।
और हम लोग
Sure.
Where are you guys coming from?
just downstairs. Actually from Toronto.
Oh, nice. I'm from Toronto. Nice.
Nice.
Very nice. Are you guys in the park for long?
Just for tonight, and Vermont, and then
Very nice. Very nice. Anyway, have you been explaining the menu? Okay.
Getting some chai ready. Beautiful. तूने मेरा मिल्क क्यों लिया? सब चोरी करा, जो मेरे को खाना हो तो वही खा लेता है। Okay, the food is amazing. The only thing I would advise is wear some warm clothes and some waterproof clothes just in case it rains. Other than that, it was a great experience. Hopefully we don't get sick. Other than that, we should be okay. Peace out. See you guys at the Fairmont. Gonna enjoy this food and go down and eat more food. It's cold. I'm wet, so I might get sick today. Might. Let's see. So we just finished our meals, paid the bill. I'm gonna finish the tea and head down. I'm gonna run down. They don't have any power here. Everything is run by propane, and I don't know how they charge everything. But
No social
you won't
media.
need anything, no social media, nothing.
That was a real treat.
That's an experience.
I live here. Where else?
श्रेया को बहुत मजा आया, मुझे थोड़ा मजा आया, but श्रेया को ज़्यादा मजा आया।
Guys, enjoy the mugs. Take great photos because it looks
मुझे थोड़ा मजा किया, तो गीजर हो गया।
मजा तो बहुत ठंड लग गया। I don't like being uncomfortable. मैं बहुत comfort वाला आदमी हूँ। I like being warm and comfortable and perfect weather, perfect temperature. ये है भाई final view. Amazing. Shreya is here. Cold. And the washroom, probably the world's most beautiful washroom, is right there. वहाँ पे. It's made out of, it's a wooden kind of thing. And we're going there, and the river is right there. I'm going to the washroom, and then ये क्या gigantic benches हैं. क्या मस्त वॉशरूम है भाई. इसके बाद हम लोग नीचे जा रहे हैं फाइनली, सब कुछ खा पी के निकाल के. दैट इज एंड ऑफ टुडे. इसके बाद हम लोग नीचे जाके कुछ खाएंगे, दारू पियेंगे थोड़ी सी. सो देयर इज़ अ $500 फाइन फॉर नॉट यूजिंग आउट हाउसेस. बेसिकली अगर बाहर हवा में मुँह धोगे हगोगे तो दे कैन फाइन यू.
One eternity later.
तो आज हम लोगों ने एक बात सीखी कि ना व्हाट इफ में नहीं रहना चाहिए ज़िंदगी में. व्हाट इफ इज़ द, आई थिंक अगर आप सोच रहे हो कि व्हाट इफ मैंने ये किया होता तो ये होता. तो हम लोग जैसे ऊपर जा रहे थे, जब ऊपर तो हमारी फटी पड़ी थी, लेकिन हम लोग अगर नहीं जाते तो ज़िंदगी भर एक हो रहा था कि हम इतना दूर आए चाय वाले के पास और नहीं गए. है ना, चाय द टी हाउस हम नहीं देख पाए, और उसके चक्कर में हम लोगों ने 6 ग्लेशियर क्रॉस कर दिए. So that was a great experience. So I recommend everybody to try whatever they think they want to do in life. That, and plus I'm just enjoying a little bit of whiskey, and
I'm enjoying
हम
my
नीचे जा रहे
favorite
हैं
one.
रेस्टोरेंट. तो अभी मैंने कॉल किया था, तो there's a business, not business but like a resort casual attire. We really don't know it's gonna be like that hectic of a trek. Like we just thought like as a round we'll make a round and come back. There'll be a nice tea shop and pie. So it's a proper trek. Other than that, it was a great experience. We had some really good food. The food was good. Kind of reminded me of home. So I just want to eat some good food right now. Good food is what we need right now, because we have earned it. We have walked all day today for 8 hours, so we need some good food. That's the first course, the Induya pate, and we have some crispy bread to eat it with. Thank you for watching Mostly Moto Vlogs, and thank you for all your support. Keep supporting the channel, comment, share this video, and dekhte rahiye Mostly Moto Vlogs. There are a lot more amazing projects are coming up, and I'm going full in on this thing, so please support. And I really appreciate all your support, क्योंकि आप लोग अपना 2 GB में से एक 10 मिनट मेरे लिए निकालते हो, तो I really appreciate that. Peace out.
Right, motherfucker.